This is the Dine and Chill. So, let's go. Tingnan po natin sa loob.
Uy, nag-take na ako ah.
Dine and Chill. Ang ganda naman ng restaurant mo. Americano. Smoothie. Actually po, nag-dinner na kami here. Tapos yun kami kumain. Ay, napakaganda po ng area. What is this? Full of plants. Mga souvenirs. Ang ganda oh. And of course here. And full of glass. And try mo kumain dito. Napakasarap ng food nila. Lalo na yung bawis. And smoothie. Thank you.
Okay.
Hello. Meet our one of the business owners of this restaurant, Dine and Chill. So, makikita niyo may mga ano sila, what's this?
Chili.
Special chili. And kailan pa po kayo nag-start here?
Nag-start kami 9 months ago.
And then?
Doing good naman po despite the pandemic. Tuloy-tuloy lang. So, nag-evolve na rin yung aming menu. Meron na rin kaming rice meal, milk tea, meron kaming nachos, gamit yung aming homemade salsa.
And this one, di po ba, pag nag-order ng smoothie is yung tatlong smoothies?
Ano to
Buy two, get one.
Buy two, get one na milk tea.
Buy one.
Buy two.
Buy two.
Get
So,
one.
tatlo kayo?
Oh, sakto na.
Libre na yung isa. Diba? So, thank you pala ma'am sa pag-drop by.
Yes, ma'am.
Salamat.
Ayaan nyo, yung mga friends ko po dadaling ko dito.
Thank you ma'am for supporting yung mga small business owners in Lancaster.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
pakipakilala naman po yung ating mababait na staff. Si Miss Maganda, ayan, no? Ang
Meet
ganda-gandang
our staff, si Debs, and si Arwin.
Hi, Arwin. And this one, cute naman ito. Dream big. Never give up. And do what you love, what you do, stay humble. That's right.
Music.
Gusto mo ba yun?
Pwede yun.
Oo.
Basta
Actually, ma'am, dito. Okay, sige. Naku, hindi accidenting na gawin Thank you so much.
Thank you very much po. Napaka-supportive po ninyo.
Lalo naman kayo, ma'am.
Mm-mm.
Nakita ko lang may binablog nyo. Kinabahan na ako eh.
May record na. Ayaw. Parang ang tagal na. Ayun. Ngayon na nag-umpisa. Nag-order po kami here sa Dine and Chill ng milk tea. Since buy 2, take 1. So, ang in-order po namin here is the taro, chocolate, and winter melon. And napakasarap po talaga ng kanilang milk tea. Okay, you may visit Dine and Chill at the ground floor, Save More, here in Lancaster, New City.
Yung bahay, bebenta mo rin. Ayan. Sige. Meron ka siya kung kapit-bahay dyan, pero i-assess mo ka sa SS1 kung magkano pwedeng ibenta yun. Hindi masyadong ginawa ng paraan eh. Baka nag-clean title pero walang masyadong improvement. Gusto mo kami sa silipin, ikaw na bahalang mag-push mag-benta.
Pwede naman po yun kasi ano po natin.
I-assess nyo naman.
Pag halimbawa may bayan, halimbawa, isa-send niyo po, i-select niyo